Okay, so I'm gonna show you really quickly just a few ways you can export your 3D model into formats that can be used in other software. The first one I want to just get us to do first is to go to Save As and save our project in Blender. And I want you to go ahead and put today's date. Make sure you do that with all your files just to document when you completed that. Um, So went ahead and did that. That I would like you to upload to a place where you can get to it, and I preferably like it uploaded to the Padlet. Just because if I need to get to your file, it's a way for me to access it. Another thing, so you go to File, and you go to File for Save As, but you also go to File for Exporting. So you'll see all these different file types. Um, One of the ones that I'm going to show you is the FBX file. Sorry about that. So export your FBX file. This is a format that's used to, you know, have your 3D geometry and your animation data transferred. It's primarily used in Autodesk formats and Autodesk software. So there's a lot of different softwares you can use with this type of file type. So I'm going to go ahead, and the only thing I want you to change on this before you hit export is to go right here on path mode and change it to copy. And for our purposes, we're going to want that to copy just so we could potentially use it in a augmented reality software later. And then that also will help if I'm trying to go back and forth between a few other softwares. So I'm going to go ahead and export that. All right. And then I want you to go to export. And again, we're going to go, this is the STL, the triangle mesh data. Now, the STL file is great for us if we're going to be doing printing. So we're going to go ahead and export that. And the same thing, you're going to have your date there. And make sure you're keeping all of this in the same folder. So go ahead and do that. And then there are a bunch of different other types of formats. The OBJ format is good too, so I recommend doing an OBJ as well. I know this seems like a lot of formats, but we're going to go ahead and do that as well. And you'll see like a little countdown thing there. Um, so that's basically all I want you to do. And as usual, remember save, save, save. Remember that your machines do crash and things happen. All right. Awesome.